Hi guys, today I'm going to give you the ultimate thing. I looked online, I had leftover dinner from last night, and I wanted to eat some more of it this morning, and so I thought, could I microwave it in the styrofoam cup? So we're going to find out if the styrofoam is microwavable. Please take pure caution when doing this, and also, kids, make sure you don't try this at home. Even though I am, don't try it at home. Alright, well, let's get started. I have my container. Shout out, I love Popeye's biscuits and chicken. So tasty. I don't like for potatoes, but let's continue. We're gonna put it in there for at least, we're gonna stick it in here for at least 25 seconds just to start us off. Wow, we're not melting. We're not melting. We're not melting. We're definitely not melting. Alright, so let's continue. I'm gonna remove. I'm gonna. Hold on 1 second, you guys. We're gonna pulsate it for another 25 seconds. They're still hot. As you can see, guys, I put it in there for 25 and 25, which is 50 seconds. Clearly, it's not gonna melt. You wouldn't do anything over 1 minute. But I'm gonna tell you guys, styrofoam will not melt as long as you don't put it in over 1 minute. But please don't try experiments like this at home without doing your proper research. And I did. And I got different answers, so I decided to do a little research project myself. And I'm going to tell you right now that it does not, in fact, melt. Just don't do it over 1 minute, and you'll be fine. Bye, guys. Mr. Crafter, signing off.